You enjoying stabbing those bananas? Huh?
I want you to start it off.
You want me to do it? Alright.
We're making a banana cake.
We're trying to.
Yes.
I'm not a very good baker, so hopefully.
How do you do that? And it mix it because
Well, kind of, but then you need to mash it still. Press it down. No, not. Yeah, kind of like that. Come on then. Crack it and then open it. You got to open it into there though. Hold it over it. That's it. Pull it apart. That's it. Hold it over that though.
I can't.
Pull it. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's all right. Let it in. Is the egg in there?
Yeah.
Did it all go in?
Yeah.
Well, I mean that's one way of doing it. There we go. There's our 3 eggs.
Can you get me a bowl of water? I want to watch. Really hope I don't spill this. Plopping.
Mix it then.
Okay. It looks so weird.
I have no idea how this is going to turn out.
Looks like an omelette mixture a bit.
It does a bit, doesn't it?
It's not. It's really hard. 13. That take longer than I thought. $50 already.
Seems like a lot of sugar for a cake, but
Yeah, it is cake. Why is it getting so hard when you get?
well, it's when you get moisture in it, it dries up. It sticks together, I mean, sorry. That'll do. 99, 98, that's enough. Maybe a bit more than that.
It's hard when you.
Go on then, put it in. Do you want me to do it?
No.
That's too little, it's not going to be 100 grams.
Get off. Can it get off? How do you do that? What? How?
94. 99, that'll do.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Just do it. Shake it a little bit slowly.
Can't, it's too heavy.
Right. Check the amount. Oh, don't lift it up. You've got to be able to see the number.
12, 13, 15, 16. A lot more than 70. Okay, wait, what number does it say?
225. How many is it now?
102.
How much is that?
Wait, stop.
109.
192.
225 we need, so still more, yeah?
Yeah. 200.
How much is that? Tell me.
2. Still 2. No, wait.
That'll do.
4.
That'll do, innit?
Yeah.
Open! What are we making?
Oh no!
What are we making?
Oh dear! Look!
Are we making a cake?
Watch! It's falling!
Oh dear, oh no.
Daddy, wipe it!
I'll let Elena do it, it's her turn. You can do the next chocolate there. 25 grams, oh.
I don't think Elena can make
Oh.
40?
Put some more back here. Put back.
How much do you need? 25?
Yeah.
Baru 5.
This is enough.
That's 30.
Eat it.
No, I want to eat it later. Done.
This is enough.
Okay, she wants to be 27.
To 25, so do it slowly, yeah? Nice and controlled, that's it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Eat it!
Got it not chocolate?
What do you think?
Don't only eat that.
No! Why you talk?
Put it in.
Mimi!
Use the fork, Zoya.
Mimi! Mimi! Me, Daddy! No, no!
Yeah, put it in, that's it.
Me!
That's it.
Me!
Put it in.
Me! Yay!
You need to mash it in now.
I'm gonna mix it! Daddy's gonna mix
You want to have a turn? Right, let her have a turn, Zoya.
I'll try like...
No thanks.
Daddy basically just add like all of them in.
Yeah, but I think it is supposed to be a bit smoother than that.
Daddy, can you like add them in any order?
I don't think so.
Order.
Right.
Ready?
Just concentrate, get it in.
Me! 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 Cook it!
Right, nice and easy because the batter's going to go everywhere if you don't do it gently, that's it.
Me, Daddy.
I think we put the butter in at the wrong bit, but it's fine. Should be fine. Go on.
What's the smell?
Don't get your hair in it. Go
I
on.
wanna eat
Mix
it.
it.
No, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt.
It's okay. She'll be alright. It's only a little bit.
Alright, let Elena have a mix.
Mix it? Okay.
Now you have to hold this device. You don't trust me? You gotta work on it and you have to hold it.
Daddy, can I put the chocolate
You put
Elena's
it
going to pour it.
after.
You just poured the sugar. You can do the flour.
You put your
in? Daddy,
baking powder.
Daddy.
Do you want to check?
Be gentle.
So, 1 second, Sam. Do you want to check?
Go on. In. And tap it like this, like that.
Why do you not put it in all at once?
Because you want to get the lumps out. That's what this scissors for.
There's no process.
Ouch, my phone. You've got to hold it. Yeah?
What if I do this?
What you need to do is hold that one and tap it. No. No, hold it. Show her.
Doesn't need to hold it. Just shake this. Don't let
No,
it touch it.
I want milk.
Or
Hey, what are you doing? To save my butter.
to save the lump in there. You
Don't get it out. I think that'll do. Put it in.
Ready?
Yep. Don't lift it out. Come on then.
Scared.
Just pour it all in, shall we? Yeah, just put it all in.
This is dark.
Right, mix it then. Fold it, try and fold it in.
Like this.
Yeah. And the vanilla as well. That's it. Don't, it's going to fall off, you've got to hold it. But that's the handle there.
All around, like in the middle.
Yeah. Not just one finger. All of your finger. Yeah.
That's it.
Oh my God.
Okay, no, it's okay. Let's just, we can make cake next time. That's what I can do today, alright?
You want to see with Dada?
Yeah.
That's a good mix as well, all on the side there. If you need more butter, you can do it, I think. No? Is that enough?
You already got lumpy.
We've got lots of butter.
No one's been lumpy.
My lumpy butter. Mm.
Just because you refuse to listen. Just because you refuse to listen to your mom, you got a lumpy mixture.
It's because you disturbed me, that's why.
Oh, what have you done? Finished? You got it on the side?
Pour it in then. Ready for the big lumpy.
No, it's not ready. There's not. You have to put flour on it.
Alright.
That's right. Watch mommy, okay? Off your finger. Look.
You're going to take all the glory for the best banana cake in the world now, isn't it, Zwaya? You think Mummy's going to try and take all the praise?
Yeah.
Even though it was us that did it?
I didn't do anything.
He did. He did this.
And then you're going to dip the, whatever that is.
Right. Now we're ready to pour.
We normally still put it on the bottom to make your life easier.
Even after buttering
Yeah.
it?
Trust me, you don't want to be difficult life. You don't have to tell me you're doing this though, it's quite embarrassing.
You're going to be live.
That's it.
Cake? Who's going to eat it?
Daddy.
And who else?
Mama.
Are you going to have any?
Yeah.
Say, for me.
Me. What's that?
Ah, done.
Now I can play with
It's a bit
it.
wonky.
I want to play with it.
Okay. There you go.
Surely we can pour the batter in now.
Yeah. Pour it on the bottom.
Right, so I pour it. Go on.
Who would want a spoon cake? Ready?
I think there's just going to be lots of flour at the bottom. I've never seen a bit of banana butter in my life. Have you, Zoya?
No.
With big lumpy bits of banana butter in it.
Can I spread it?
I don't think you need to. I'll spread on its own, but we can see.
Spread it. You need to spread it. This is Daddy.
Stay there, it's hot, the oven, Elena. It is hot.
Look, Elena, what's that? What is it?
Oh, come on. Leave it for the
What's that?
Cake.
Who's going to eat it?
Me.
Yeah!
Eat it.
Daddy eat it all.
Yeah. Don't eat it. Don't spider eat it.
Okay.
No. Daddy.
are you doing?
I'm gonna turn it. Ready?
Looks pretty good.
Oh, I don't know why I did that. All good.
Straight down the middle. I think it's a good idea.
I feel like the knife
No,
is
serrated. It's cut like that. Do you want me to help you?
That's what that means, serrated, the jagged edge.
Right, that's it. Like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice and slowly though.
That's it.
Down the straight line.
Hey, did Kaka do it?
So I hope you.
Did he? What's in the
You
cake?
point it like that so you get to the bottom. That's it. Alright, let's have a look.
Yay!
Is that a portion?
Yeah.
Is there a plate?
Which is mine.
Hold it.
Don't eat it!
Enak gak? Hah? Enak.
Oh, thank you, David. Thank you. Thank you, Rita.
So give some
Thank
to
you,
Egg.
Tobias.
Yeah.
Not enough, huh?
Yeah. Enak.
Yeah? What's that?
Coklat.
Susan?
Yeah, jajan coklat.
Enak.
Enak.
Is this small?
Ya, masih ada coklat sama walnut. Just give it to her.